we decided to do something a little bit different today. We're going to be doing a two-part video right here, right now. It's the first part, we're making Dalgona candy. The second part of it, we're making actual Dalgona coffee. So I want you guys to understand and know that the Dalgona coffee was never really meant to be coffee, but I've got an explanation for you later on in my video. Just hang tight and watch. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and start off things right with making our Dalgona candy. Caramelization does require high temperatures, and the temperature at which caramelization does occur for 1 tablespoon regular sugar is about 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 160 degrees Celsius. You will start seeing the sugar decomposing slightly before the actual caramelization does occur, and then the sugar becoming sugar syrup. Remove the sugar syrup from the heat and add 2 pinches of baking soda. The baking soda will form a gas and create air bubbles in the sugar syrup. After adding the baking soda, go ahead and stir it again over the heat just for a few more seconds. You do not want to make this any darker than it already is. Once you're done, remove it from the heat, place it on a well-greased oil tray, giving us an end result, which is a perfect honeycomb-like, slightly darkened to a perfect golden honey color. I basically used a parchment paper directly on top of the dish and pressed down lightly. The candy, known to us from South Korea, called Dalgona. Now, on with our regular program. Hey guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. If you're here for the first time, I want to welcome you to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe right down below. Today's episode, one of the coolest drinks right now that everyone is making from home is the Dalgona coffee. It's a big hit since it was introduced to us during this 2020 coronavirus pandemic. This viral drink is flooding throughout social media. And in today's episode, we're gonna make Dalgona coffee with a twist, because we're not just creating one, but we're gonna do 3 variations of this popular drink. The original Daglona, triple chocolate mocha, and green tea matcha latte. Dalgona coffee is a beverage made by whipping equal portions of instant coffee, sugar, and hot water until it becomes light and caramel in color. Then added to hot or cold milk, but since summer is around the corner, this is best served chilled. The name Dalgona, which means sweet, originated from an old-fashioned Southern Korean street candy, which has a similar look to the whipped topping we're making today. The Dalgona candy. This is what they serve in South Korea on the street corners. It's basically sugar and baking soda. That's it. And the taste, it's very airy, it's very light, tastes almost like honeycomb. And without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready, it's time to get whipped. In a bowl, let's go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. We want to make sure that we make this really fluffy and airy, because the only way to get that done is using an electric mixer. Pour your favorite milk in a glass full of ice, and using a spoon, place a few dollops of this whipped coffee mixture on top. And garnish it with a Dalgona candy and a little drizzle of some honey over that whipped coffee. Now, using the other half of the whipped coffee mixture, add 1 tablespoon of your favorite cocoa powder and mix using a hand mixer until smooth. And place this mocha mixture on top of the glass filled with ice and chocolate milk. In this scene, it looks like it's snowing, but actually it's white chocolate falling. To garnish our cup, and add a white chocolate chip just to top it all off. Now, for the green tea matcha, beat 1 egg white, adding 1 tablespoon of sugar gradually until it's stiff. Now add 1 teaspoon of matcha powder and blend on medium speed until the matcha has fully integrated itself into the egg white mixture. Add it on top of the glass filled with matcha vanilla almond milk, completely covering the top. And here they are, the Dalgona recipes that we just created. So the first one is basically the Dalgona original style, but with the actual original Dalgona candy on top that we created. The second one is the matcha with almond milk, and we just basically made it a super green tea matcha drink. And the third one, we've got ourselves the triple chocolate Dalgona latte. I don't know about you guys, but they look really good. They almost look like candy in themselves. So refreshing. Let's give it a shot. So let's just stir that up a little bit. Let's get some of that down there. Wow. This is the first time I'm having this, and it almost tastes like, I can definitely consider this a coffee ice cream. That's the flavor I'm getting out of it, and it's so good, it's so rich. The Dalgona dollop that we put on top tastes almost honeycomb-like. It's really good. I mean, don't mind me. Now let's try our second one, the green tea matcha latte. Very foamy on top, as you can see. Let's mix that up a little bit. So remember, we used basically almond milk for this, and we added green matcha powder to the almond milk, mixed it up without any coffee in it. Let's try this one out. Hey, I've never had matcha latte before either, and I think I'm a fan now. Wow. And last but not least, who doesn't love triple chocolate, right? Starting on the bottom, milk chocolate, then we have a layer of the dark chocolate. That's the Dalgona that we've added dark chocolate powder to, and to top it off, we've added white chocolate. Let's give this one a shot, and let's see how smooth this one is. I approve. You never have to leave your house to go to a coffee shop and get any of these at all. You can make it yourself. It's that simple. Guys, you know what? I really liked all three of them. They're all good and unique to what you want. If you're in the mood for triple chocolate, make the triple chocolate. If you're a matcha person with almond milk, make that one. And if you're an original Dalgona coffee drinker, then the original one is amazing. And you guys saw the video of creating the actual Dalgona candy itself. The whole concept and idea of the Dalgona coffee came from. The color of this candy represents the Dalgona whipped topping that we created for this, and that's where it got its name from, Dalgona coffee. Even though the original one, like I said, doesn't contain any coffee in it whatsoever. And that just wraps up today's episode. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts on Dalgona coffee. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, and that bell. Click on that bell and you will be notified when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on rocking.